Okay, here we are out on the block this morning on this beautiful day. Now, what you're seeing is going against all our principles in regards to layered gardens and no-till gardens. But we are tilling here. We're hoeing. That's Ollie on the tractor. And we're hoeing this whole area because it's really hard. It had maize in here probably only like 8 months ago, and for the last 15 years the ground is very hard, so we're breaking it up. It'll be the garlic garden, so we're planting a whole lot of garden in here for cuckoo patch. However, this will be the only time that we till in this area, because after the garlic is harvested, we'll chuck cover crop into this. We haven't had time for the cover crop to get away in this patch, so that's another reason for tilling. But we'll put a cover crop on here after the garlic, and we'll maintain it and start layering layers until we get it to where we want to, and it'll remain as a main crop garden. There you go. So that's us this morning at the block.